Thank you all for being here. Thank you, Nasdaq. Movella is a global leader in the digitization of movement for the human body and for automatons that mimic human movement. Right here? So you want me to be walking this way or what? Exciting day. I'm wearing the Xsens suit underneath and we're ready to go. Let's go ring the bell. We are known as the gold standard for Hollywood motion capture. As a matter of fact, as I speak right now, underneath my clothing, I'm wearing our famous Xsens technology. As I speak, the nonverbal language of my movements is being digitized and recorded, and they will live forever in the virtual world. Elite athletes, from Steve Young to Jason Tatum, Lionel Messi, and Olympians have used this same product to digitize their movements. I believe I'm the first bell ringer to have my movement of ringing the bell digitized so that the movement can be immortal and live forever in the virtual world. The enthusiasm is incredible. Look at the crowd. We're ready to ring that bell and open the Nasdaq market for the world.
Now today is a major milestone as Movella continues its journey as a publicly traded company, having combined with Pathfinder Acquisition Corp on February 13th and listing on Nasdaq under the symbol MVLA. Congratulations. I think that deserves a big round of applause.
From Iron Man action movies to real-world intelligent robots, our vision is to move humanity forward by bringing meaning to movement. It takes a village to move humanity forward. I am so fortunate and so grateful to have you as part of my village. Today, this milestone marks just the beginning of Movella's next new chapter of growth. Thank you all.
And here are the opening bells in New York and in Toronto at the Nasdaq market site. A global leader in the digitization of movement, Movella Holdings, rings the opening bell.
At the Nasdaq, it's Movella, maker of sensors for the digitization movement, also celebrating the listing via SPAC.
We started this company back in 2008, pretty much out of my garage, right? So it's a great milestone for Movella, great achievement of everybody that worked so hard to get us to this moment.
Hey, this has been quite the journey. The hard work starts now.
What a beautiful company, and look forward to a great future with the Nasdaq.
Hey, you're famous. We did it. I feel like Superman. We rang the bell. Now we're doing the Times Square domination. Look at the screens.
Super excited. This is a great day, big milestone for the company. We're all super happy to be here.
All right, everyone, and I promise this is the last big cheer. You're gonna feel the energy we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
The bell ringing ceremony is over, but it was super exciting. Everybody was there, everybody was enthusiastic. We are now listed, we're now MVLA, and now the job really starts. I was happy to be here, I was happy everybody could experience it, and now let's get back to work.
I've actually put the suit on, I've digitized my movement, it's now forever, and when he played it back and put the avatar, the Steve Young avatar, and watched him move around, what was amazing to me was, that was me. There's a lot of big ideas out there, which you hear all the time, but as an investor, these are the kind of things that I get very excited about.